guys, I'm Sushmita from Miss Pink Shoes and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about my April favorites. Now I know we're already halfway through May and it's super late to do a monthly favorites, but I've not missed a monthly favorites in the last 1 year and I didn't want to miss it. And there are some products that I do want to talk to you guys about. So yes, if you want to know what my favorites are for the month of April, then please keep on watching. So the first two products are from the brand PAC. These products have been working amazingly for me and I've been using it throughout the month non-stop. So the first product is the PAC Zero Pore Separation Cream. Now although this does not come under their primer category, this works amazingly as a primer. So this is basically a pore covering base and this covers my pores like magic. It is as good as the Benefit Professional, so you guys know how amazing this is. It's a nice thick primer, so it gives a nice coverage to your pores. So your skin feels super smooth. Like once you apply this, your skin is gonna feel like one smooth thing and it keeps your makeup on for the whole day. This is a really long lasting product and it makes your makeup also last really long. So I absolutely love this. I've been using it non-stop through the month and I would highly recommend this to you guys. The next product that I've been loving is also from PAC. It's the PAC Baked Highlighter. This is in the shade 04. Guys, look how gorgeous this color is. Like, this color is so pretty and it's something that will go with every skin tone, and see how pigmented that is. It's super smooth. It's not at all chunky. It's the one that I have on my cheeks right now mixed with another color, but it's mainly this color, and see how popping it is. I absolutely love this. This is amazing. Another product that I've been wearing all month non-stop. Every time I have to use a highlighter, I reach out for this because this is blinding. This stays on, does not look chunky, it does not settle into the pores, it does not emphasize the texture of my skin. It's just the perfect highlighter. The next favorite for the month of April is the Maybelline Micellar Water. If you guys can see, I'm almost out. I have a full review on this. I'll link it on top in case you guys want to see. This is a great makeup remover, guys, and especially if you're on a budget, this is gonna work amazingly. This removes your makeup really well. It does not leave back anything. No matter what you're wearing, if you have glitter on, waterproof mascara, anything, this will take it off very gently and it does not clog your pores. And again, as I mentioned, it's very pocket friendly, so you should definitely give this a go. My next favorite is the Nykaa Skin Genius Compact. I've done a review on this as well. I'll link it on top. So I'm in the shade 03 Warm Honey. So this is a really nice smooth compact. This does not feel powdery at all, and especially if you're from the dry or the combination skin type, this is going to work so well, because generally any compact on my skin after a point can look powdery, and when I layer it up a lot, or when I really want to set in my face and apply extra amount of powder, my face lands up looking really like chalky and powdery. But this does not do that. This sets in my makeup so well, and what I love about this the most is that it's super long wearing, so it lasts on my face for a really long time, and especially with the heat that we have, this is a great compact to go for. The only problem is the shade range. They don't have too many shades, but if you do find a shade which matches with your skin tone, you should definitely give this a try. Again, it's not too expensive and it works brilliantly. The next favorite for this month is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contour Palette. Now I bought this from a page called Be a Diva, which is on Instagram. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So this is one of the best contour and highlight palettes that I've tried. Like, I have been in love with the Makeup Revolution Duo Face Sculpt, which looks exactly like this, and formula wise it's pretty similar, but I like this much better, mainly because of the banana shade. It works really well with Indian skin tone, and both the contour and highlight are super creamy, very easy to blend. It does not look muddy or chalky onto your face. There are certain contour palettes that can look chalky, but this does not look chalky at all. And the brown that they have here, it's a very yellow toned brown, so you can use this for bronzing as well. So that's one reason why I've been using this non-stop. Again, a product that I've been using all through the month. So now coming to a TV show that I've been loving. I do watch a lot of TV shows, but I don't know why I've never mentioned it on my channel. So I decided to mention it from this month. So this month's favorite TV show is 13 Reasons Why. Although I've watched a lot of TV shows, this one is definitely my favorite. So it is a show which has only 13 episodes. Now there have been a lot of mixed reviews for this. A lot of people hate it because they think that the show is passing on a wrong message. But I feel like it just depends on how you take it. I think the message that the show passes is extremely important, and I think it's an amazing way of passing on such a message. So I'm not going to give out much about the show, but it's basically about this girl who kills herself, and she has given 13 reasons why she's done that. And it is an intense show, it is a deep show, and if you're somebody who's emotional or who cannot handle intense things, then you shouldn't watch it. But if you are strong-hearted and if you like watching interesting shows, then you're totally gonna love it. I love the show. I'm in fact thinking of watching it again, and that's because that's how much I liked it. So yes, that was my favorite show for this month. So that's it for this video, guys. I really hope you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, the link is down below. You can also follow me on my Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat and Twitter. All the links are given in the bottom bar, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.